Students, today we are going to solve that exercise 2A class 8 advancements question number 10. These are the questions as you can see in the video. There are total 9 questions and now I'm going to solve all the questions one by one. Let's have a look how to solve this one, starting with the first one, Roman 1. Now look student, 2A question number 10. Now solution for the first one, question number 10, Roman 1. Here it is given a to the power x equal to 1. So this question is very easy actually students. So here a to the power x and 1 can be written a to the power 0. Actually anything to the power 0 equal to 1, we know that very well. And here now base are same, powers are equal, so here x is equal to 0. And here we'll write that since base same power base same powers are equal. Base same powers are equal, so first one is over. Answer is x equal to 0, so we can write that here, therefore x equal to 0. The first one is over now. Now look, 10 Roman 2. 10 Roman 2, the question is actually in question number 10 we have to find the value of x and y only. And now the second question is 4 to the power x plus 1 equal to 1. This is the question given. Now look how to solve this one. Also same way which I did the first one, x to the power x plus 1, and this one can be written 4 to the power 0. Why? Because base same powers are equal, we have to use the formula. Or already I told you that anything to the power 0 equal to 1. So if I write 4 to the power 0 is also 1. Now base same powers are equal, so here I will write x plus 1 equal to 0. We will write here since base same powers are equal. So after that student, look here now the next line. Here x equal to, if I take 1 on that side becomes minus 1. So this is the answer of the question 10 Roman 2, x equal to minus 1. Now student, look, the next question is 10 Roman 3. Now look, 10 Roman 3, and the question is actually 3 to the power x minus y equal to 9, the first case. And the second case is 3 to the power x plus y equal to 27. This is the second case. From here we have to find out x and y. Actually this sum is very easy student. Now look how to solve this one. Here first of all 3 to the power x minus y, and this 9 can be written 3 square. Now base same powers are equal, so here x minus y equal to 2. This is our equation number 1. I am not writing the sentence here, base same powers are equal. Now look here, similarly here also 3 to the power x plus y, and that is 27, can be written 3 cube. Now base same powers are equal, so x plus y equal to 3. This is our equation number 2. Now students, equation number 1 and 2, if I want to analyze, so we'll get the answer. So here from 1 to, I am writing here from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2. Now look how to solve this. There is x minus y equal to 2, and there is x plus y equal to 3. Now just go for the addition here. Go for the addition means plus, so this will cancel, and 1 plus 1 means twice x. And here how much? 3 plus 2, 5. So next would be x equal to 5 by 2. Value of x we have got now. Now we'll put the value of x in equation 1 or 2, we'll get the answer. Now look, if I write here from 1, so what is the equation number 1? Equation 1 is actually x minus y equal to 2. This is equation number 1. Now in place of x we will just put down the formula, this one. So in place of x I will put down 5 by 2, because value of x is 5 by 2. We'll put down here equal to 2. Now look student, I will just take the LCM here. So LCM is 2 obviously. 5, 2 into y means 2y y equal to 2. Now look here, after that go for the cross multiplication. So 5 minus 2y y, and there is 4. In the next step student, there is minus 2y y and 4 minus 5. Now look, after that minus twice y, and there is minus 1. So y equal to, minus and minus cancel, y equal to half. So we got the answer actually. And last line I will write here that therefore x equal to 5 by 2 and y equal to half. This is the answer of 10 Roman 3. Students, now we're going to solve that 10 Roman 4. Now the question is actually here. Student, this is the question of 10 Roman 4. 2 to the power x equal to 3 to the power minus x. Now look how to solve this one. Here I can write 2 to the power x, and this value can be written 1 by 3 to the power x. Why? Because look the formula, a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n, and this formula I can use here, a to the power minus n 1 by a to the power n. Now look student, after that if I go for the cross multiplication here, so there will be, look, if I go for the cross multiplication, then 2 to the power x into 3 to the power x, and there is only 1. Now one thing we can say that here 3 and 2 base are different, powers are same, so can be written 2 into 3 whole to the power x equal to 1 by using the formula that a to the power m into a to the power b to the power m, and this can be written ab whole to the power m. This formula I have used here now. So here student, 3 to the 6 to the power x equal to 1. So obviously we can say that if there is 6 to the power x, 1 can be written like 6 to the power x, and there is 6 to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is 1 also. So in the last line we can say that x equal to 0. Base same, powers are equal. This is the answer of 10 Roman 4. Now look student, there is 1 by 4 into 2 to the power 5x equal to 16 into 4 to the power x. This is the question of 10 Roman 4. Now look how to solve this one. Here this can be written like 1 by 2 square. 2 square is 4 obviously, and 2 to the power 5x and equal to 16 can be written 2 to the power 4, and 4 to the power x can be written 4 2 to the power 2 whole to the power x. Now look, after that this value 1 by can be written 2 to the power minus 2 here into 2 to the power 5x. I am just trying to transfer whole base in one base like 2. So 2 to the power 4 will be here, and there is 2 into x, which means 2 to the power twice x. Now look, base all are same, means one base means 2 here. Now base same, power should be added. So here minus 2 plus 5x equal to 2, 4 plus twice x. Now look, just after that here base, now here base same, powers are equal, so minus 2 plus 5x and 4 plus twice x. We can write here base same powers, base same powers are equal. Okay, now look here, after that there is 5x, so we'll write here 5x, take minus 2 here means 2x, then 4, if I take minus 2 on that side it become plus. Now look here, 5x minus 2x is 3x, and there is 6 only. Now after that if you want to find out the value of x only, so 6 by 3, 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, so x equal to 2. The value of x is 2 only here. This is the answer of 10 Roman 5. Now look student, 10 Roman 6. Now here question is root 3 whole to the power x plus 3 by 2 equal to 3 root 3 whole to the power twice x plus 3. Now here I am going to solve this question. Now let's have a look how to solve this. First of all students, I am going to remove the root here now first. So root 3 will be removed, so this could be 3 to the power half into x plus 3 by 2. This is the power, and 3 to the power half means root 3. First one gone. Now second one, cube root 3. So here also 3 to the power 1 by 3 into twice x plus 3. This is the power already here. Now 3 to the power 1 by 3 means cube root 3. Second one gone. Now look, after that here go for the multiplication first, then 3 to the power x plus 3, 2 into 2, 4. There is 3 to the power twice x plus 3, and there is nothing means 1. 3 1 ja 3. Now look, base same, powers are equal. So here in the next step, x plus 3 by 4 equal to twice x plus 3 by 3. We'll write here base same, powers are equal. Base same, powers are equal. Okay, now look, after that here, you know, go for the cross multiplication. So 4 to the 8x and 3 4 the 12. 3 into x 3x, 3 into 3 9. Now look student, after that I will just going to transfer this variable side in one side. So 8x minus 3x, and there is 9 minus 12. Now look student, after that what will happen here? So 8x minus 3x is 5x. 8x minus 3x is 5x, and there is 9 minus 12. 9 minus 12 is minus 3. Now value of x will be minus 3 by 5. This is the answer of the question number 10 Roman 4, sorry 10 Roman 6. Student, this is question number 10 Roman 7. Question is given 2 to the power x minus 4 equal to 4 into, in your book, I repeat again, in your book it is given 2 to the power x minus 6, which is wrong question. There is not 2, there should be x to the power x minus 6. I repeat again, in the book question is given 2 to the power x minus 6, which is wrong question. There should be x to the power x minus 6. Now look, after that here how to solve this, very easy actually, not so hard. So x to the power minus 4, 2 to the power x minus 4 equal to, that 4 can be written 2 square into x to the power x minus 6. Now after that if I go for the division here, so since these two are in into, we'll go for the division here. So 2 to the power x minus 4, and there is 2 by 2 square, so here is x minus 6. Now look, after that this can be written like 2 to the power x minus 4 into, if this value will go into the numerator, so it becomes 2 to the power minus 2, and x to the power x minus 6 will be here. Now look, base same, powers are equal, base same, power should be added. So 2 to the power x minus 4 minus 2, and x to the power x minus 6. Now look student, after that 2 to the power x minus 6 equal to x to the power x minus 6. Now look here, powers are equal, so base are also equal. So in the last line we will write that 2 equal to x, which means value of x is 2. This is the answer of question number 10 Roman 7. I repeat again, there is x to the power x minus 6, not 2 to the power x minus 6. Student, this is the question of 10 Roman 8. The question is given 2 to the power 2x plus 1 minus 6 into, this dot means into, 2 to the power x plus 2 plus 64 equal to 0. This question is given, so we'll have to find out the value of x here. Look how to find out the value of x. First of all student, here we'll go for the splitting up, like 2 to the power twice x plus 1, which means can be written 2 to the power twice x into 2 to the power 1, and 6 can be written 2 into 3 means 6, and here 2 to the power x and 2 to the power 2, splitting up this one, and 64 means 2 to the power 5 is 32, then 2 to the power 6 is 64, 2 to the power 6 equal to 0. Now look, after that student, now if I take only two common, then here from here 2 to the power 2x will be here, because 2 will be here, minus from here student, if I take 2 common, so 3 into 2 to the power x, and there is 2 square. From 2 square, if I take 2 common, so there will be 1 2 here, or 2 square. Now and next one would be 2 to the power 5. I repeat again student, don't confuse, I repeat again. Look, 2 to the power means 2, there is also 2. Now from these three term, after splitting up, if I take 2 common, so 2 to the power twice x here, these two here. Now 2 into 3 into 2 to the power x into 2 squared. So from here if I take 2 common, so remaining part will be this one, 3 into 2 to the power x into 2 squared. From here if I take 2 common, then 2 to the power 5 only. Now look, after that student here, so 2 to the power, 2 to the power twice x minus 2 square is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 2 to the power x, and 2 to the power 5 is how much, 32, equal to 0 by 2, because these two will come here. Since it is multiply, it will go on division. Now look, after the student here, so next line would be 2 to the power twice x minus 12 into, that is into 2 to the power x plus 32 equal to 0. Now look student, the next part would be, look here, the next part would be, so this can be written like, uh, 2 to the power x whole square. So 2 into x means twice x. Now there 12 into 2 to the power x plus 32 equal to 0. Now if I take this value as a or b or m n, anything we can take. I am taking a here, you may take b also, z also, m also, anything can be taken. So I am taking here, let 2 to the power x equal to a. Now student, this equation becomes, therefore if I take equation number 1, so from 1, then what will happen, in place of 2 to the power x I will just put down a here. So is 2 to the power x whole square, which means this equal to a, means a square, minus 12a plus 32 equal to 0. Now these can be solved by the help of, a middle term factorization. Now let's have a look how to solve this portion. Look here student, there is 32 and there is, a squared, so 12 I will put here in some value in such a way so that if I add this we'll get 12, and if I multiply we'll get 32. So 8 plus 4 12, and 8 fours are 32, so a will be here 32. Now 0, next one, a square, then 8a minus 4a plus 32 equal to 0. After that student, from here if I take a common, so a minus 8, and from here minus 4 common, then here will be a minus 4 8 is 32, then 0 here. So in the next step, a minus 8 and a minus 4 equal to 0. Now look, either a minus 8 equal to 0, so a equal to 8, or a minus 4 equal to 0, then a equal to 4. Now here I will put down the value of a. Look here student, now what is the value of a here, 2 to the power x. Look, value of a is 2 to the power x, so we'll put down the value of a here only. So look student, in place of a to the power x equal to 8, and in place of a to the power x equal to 4, so 2 to the power x and 8 can be written, 2 cube. 8 means 2 cube here, and there also student, look, there also 2 to the power x and 4 means 2 square. Base same, powers are equal, so x equal to 3. Here base same, powers are equal, x equal to 2, so value of x is 3, value of x is 2. This is the answer of 10 Roman 8. Student, this is the question of 10 Roman 9, and we are going to solve this one. Look how to solve this. First of all, I will take this value in this side and this value on that side. So here x minus 3, and there is minus 2 equal minus 2, there is x minus 1. Now look, after that, just interchanging the terms. Now squaring both sides. So what will happen if I go for the squaring both sides? So x minus 3 and there is minus 2, whole thing square, and here also minus 2, then x minus 1, whole thing square. Now look student, after that here we'll apply the formula a minus b whole square, and minus square is plus here. Now look how to solve this, the second part. Here a square minus twice a into b, twice a b is 2 here, then b square, so this is 2 square. Now look after that, minus square is plus obviously. Now square and root cancel, so remaining part would be 2 into x minus 1. I repeat again, minus square means plus, and square root cancel 2 and minus x minus 1. After that student, look, we'll go for the multiplication here. Now look how to solve this. Here also square root cancels, so next would be, look, x minus 3 square root cancel here. Now next one is be 2 into 2 4 root x minus 3, and 2 square is 4, and there is twice x minus 2. Now look student, how to solve this one. The next part would be next one, there is removing the bracket student here. So if I keep this value only one side, and if I take this whole value on that side, will be easy. So first of all, x minus 3 minus 4 root x minus 3 plus 4 equal to twice x minus 2. Now next would be 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, 4 and minus 3 means plus 1, and minus 4 root over x minus 3, then twice x minus 2. Next would be here, look, then minus 4 root over x minus 3 equal to twice x minus 2, and we'll take this value in this side, become minus x and minus 1. Now look after that what will happen here. So there could be minus 4 root over x minus 3, and 2x minus x is x only. I repeat again, 2x minus x is x, and minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Now again we're going to squaring both sides again. So what will happen if I go for the squaring both sides again? So would be, look here now, minus 4 root over x minus 3 squaring both sides, and there is also x minus 3 squaring both sides. Now look what will happen here. Minus square is plus, 4 square is 16, and square root cancel x minus 3 here again. Minus square is plus, 4 square is 16, and square root cancel x minus 3 here. And here we're going to apply the formula that a minus b, a square minus twice ab plus b square. Now look here after that, 16 into x here, and 3 into 16 how much, 48. Now here x square, and 3 to the 6x, and 3 square is 9. Now how to solve this? Look here now. Next would be x square minus 6x plus 9. Now after that minus 16x and plus if minus 40 will be here, so plus 48 equal to 0. X square minus 6x plus 9, and minus 16 if I take on that side, and minus then minus 40 will be taken, so the remaining part would be 0 here. Now look after that, don't confuse, this will remain here, and this portion I have taken on that side, and nothing means 0. Now look, there is x square, and here minus 16 and minus 6, which means minus 22x, and there's plus 48 plus 9 57, 48 plus 9 57 equal to 0. Next portion we'll go for the middle term factorization. There is x square minus, now look here, 19 plus 3 is 22, and 3 into 19 57, so we'll write 57 equal to 0. Now next would be x square minus 19x minus 13x plus 57 equal to 0. Now from here if I take x common, then x minus 19 and minus 13 common if I take here, then sorry, there is 3, not 13, there is 3. If there is 3, yeah, 3x, 3, then x into minus 19 equal to 0. Now next would be x minus 19 and x minus 3 equal to 0. Now what will happen? Look here now, either or. So we'll write here either x minus 19 equal to 0, then x equal to x equal to 19 or x minus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to 3. So value of x is 19 and value of x is 3. But student, this is not the end. We have to check which value we have to take here for this equation. Now look student, one more thing here. Look student, if I take 19, x is equal to 19, look here, 19 minus 3, 16, and there is 19 minus 1 is how much? 19 minus 1 is 18, 18 to 36. Now there is 16. If it is 16, which means 4 square, and if it is 36, which means 6 square, 4 plus 6, 10, which is not satisfying this equation. But if I put here 3 minus 3, 0, there is 3 minus 1 means 2, 2 into 2, 2 square means 2 only, which means value of x is 3. I think you have not understood like this, but okay, now I am going to show you this one. Now look student, for case 1, when x equal to 19, now if I put the value here, x equal to 19, what will happen? 19 minus 3 and root over 2 into, there is 19 minus 1, so 19 minus 3 means 16 here, and there is 2 into 19 minus 1 is 18. Now look, 16 means 4 square, 16 means 4 square, plus there is 36 means 6 square, square root cancel, there is 4 only, and this is 6 square, square root cancel, which means 4 plus 6, which means 10, which is does not satisfy the equation, as because in the question this equal to 2, this equal to 2 in the question given. So we'll write here which is not satisfying, which is not satisfying the equation, which is not satisfying the equation. Therefore x equal to 19 not acceptable. First one over. Now second case, when x equal to 3, look here now look here, when x equal to 3, so we'll put the value here, x3, 3 minus 3 here. Now root over 2 into 3 minus 1, so 3 minus 3 is 0, and 3 minus 1 is 2, so there is 0, and 2 into 2 means 2 square, square root cancel, 0 plus 2, which means 2, which is satisfying our equation, which is satisfying the equation, which is satisfying the equation. Therefore x equal to 3 is acceptable. This is the answer of 10 Roman 9.